What? What are you doing? Alright.
You gotta swallow it.
I can't get my foot. Swallow it. I'm trying.
You should have gotten a cup of water, by the way. Most people that do it get a water.
Alright.
No, you can't cheat. You gotta swallow it and then drink that.
Yeah, swallow.
That's the whole thing, or point. You can't swallow it.
Is it burning yet?
She failed the cinnamon challenge.
Failed.
I think we can do this.
Turn them off now. Are they off? Are they off?
Yep.